Today, we're going to review some parts of the email we had a little trouble with. So let's start with the subject. So we need to remember that they should be short. Don't have more than 5 words in your subject. The subject should also tell you what your email is about. And if you can name the assignment, even better. So, for example, verb assignment help would be a great help for your teacher. So let's look at a couple together. This is the bad subject. I can't figure out the assignment about fractions. This is the new subject. Fraction assignment help. So let's think about what makes it better. First off, it's only 3 words long, and it tells the teacher what the email is about. So let's try another one together. Here's the bad subject. Need information about what is happening in class tomorrow. What would make this better? I want you to think about it. So the new subject might be something like tomorrow's class. So why is this one better? Well, it's only 2 words long, and it tells the teacher what the email is about. So now you're going to fix some bad subjects and make them better.